Good morning and salutations, y'all. Today we got a Paiste 20 series 20-inch light ride, and as you can tell, where's the crack? Right there in the body of the right there. There's a crack right here, starting from right there to right there. So the way we're gonna repair that, we're gonna try to put a little ozone hole in it. All right. So before we do, let's give it a little sound test. Alright, it don't sound too bad, but let's get rid of that cracked area. Alright, y'all, we're back with the Paiste 20 series 20-inch light ride. And as you can tell, we put that whole ozone hole in it. Now the crack is repaired, and there's no more crack in the cymbal whatsoever. So let's give this little cymbal a sound test.